Welcome to my channel Power Class by Acharya. Today I am going to discuss about Excel function count, count A and count blank. Here I have already mentioned description about each function. Count function will count rows with numeric values. Count A function will count rows with alphabetic and numeric values except blank. Also, there is a condition if blank is based on formula, then count A will count those rows as well. Count blank will count rows with blank values only. Here I have a data source with alphabetic values as well as numeric values, blank values and formula based blank. I'm going to discuss about first function count and selecting the data source range. Press enter. Result is 3. So, as per description, count function will count rows with numeric values, which is correct. Now, I am going to use count A function, selecting the same data source range, press enter, result is 8. Now, we have 4 alphabetic values, 3 numeric values, and 1 formula based blank, which is correct. Finally, going to use count blank function and selecting the same data source range, press enter. Result is 2. That means we have 2 blank rows, so result is correct. Now if you all are clear about all these functions, then you can practice with same data source and answer these 5 questions. First question is count rows with numeric values, count rows with alphabetic values, count rows with blank values, which is formula based, count rows with blank values without formula, count rows with alphabetic as well as numeric values except all type of blanks. Here is a condition. You can use one helping column, but do not use if or countif function anywhere. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Power Class by Acharya.